In this video, we'll talk about certain basics of using the Zorp platform, right? For example, we'll first talk about filters. So filters, you will find filters across Zorp, in teams or users, workflows and tasks. So filters works in a very simple manner. You choose the field that you want to filter and you provide the corresponding options. Now, when it comes to task, there are certain specific things. Like for example, there are some universal filters, like what is the ID of the task, what is the user status, etc. And there is also workflow specific information, which you will find under each workflow. Just choose the corresponding item and say 1, 2, 3, 4 and apply filter, and you will see what our item is actually matching. In our case, it's not matching any item, so you're not seeing anything. But if you do, you will be able to see the corresponding task. That's a simple way how filters actually work. When it comes to tasks, there is also another thing called edit table columns. So what you see here is some of the default information you see on the tab, you see on the task listing. But for you to see some specific information, you will have to go inside the task and see each of them. May not always be a great experience. So for that, there is an option called edit table columns, where you can pick and choose what item you want to see within your dashboard. So this gives you an easy way to summarize and see what information is relevant to you and see them right then and there in the dashboard. The last option is an export option. Export is a simple CSV export of the raw data that you have in each task. So you can apply filter, and once you apply the filter, so when you hit export, the entire data, and you can pick and choose what data you actually want, and this entire data is available as a CSV for you to do any kind of analysis after this. And this is the same thing that gets applied for different provisions across Zorp. Hopefully this helps you do things faster and easier on the platform.